Hello, this is Antigone, your high-level ninja, showing you how to use Go High Level. If you like this content and how things are explained, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe. That would be awesome. Thank you so very much. It will help the channel grow. I get so many questions about Go High Level calendars. It's not at all confusing that terms like calendar and availability are used seemingly interchangeably, but somehow it seems like they're different at the same time. Not at all confusing. So let's try and clear this up. First, let's agree on some terms. When we're looking at these images above here, the first one is what I'm going to call a booking calendar. This is a calendar set up in Go High Level that can be an event calendar, personal calendar, round robin, anything else like that. And this is a calendar towards a specific goal. So this is to set up a webinar, to set up a sales call, to set up a service call, to set up some support. Next, we have the profile availability. This is for each user in your Go High Level that might be assigned to any one of these booking calendars. Then when are they available to get plugged into these calendars? When are they available to accept appointments across these different calendars? So generally you would just have one availability for the person overall and then fine tune it using their different roles across the other booking calendars. Then we have what we as humans might think of as a calendar. This is what my phone shows. It beeps and tells me, hey, you have to go over here and meet this person and do that. And then on another day at another time, it does the same thing, but for somebody else and something else. As you can imagine, these three things all play with each other to show when someone clicks the book a call button, how does Go High Level determine what available appointments there are? For this example, we're just going to take Tuesday. It's just easier for most people to think of it as a single day and then expand it from there. So that's how we're going to look at it. So on Tuesday, this particular booking calendar, the one towards a specific goal, is available from 5 until 7 p.m. Next, we have the profile calendar. This is the one for each individual person and when they might potentially be available to accept appointments. This person is available from 1 until 8. Awesome! So within those overlaps, 5 to 7 p.m. and 1 to 8 p.m., what overlaps is 5 to 7 p.m. Next, Go High Level looks at what are called the conflict calendars. These are set just below or just above. It's right around the same place as the availability in that person's profile. So it looks to those conflict calendars to see of those available times from 5 until 7, when are they already booked for personal stuff? So it removes anything that they already have blocked off. So in this case, this person has an appointment from 6:30 until 7. That means that they're available from 5 p.m. until 6:30 p.m. It's important to note that these end times, that's when to wrap up by. That means that in the first calendar's case, it has to wrap up by 7 p.m. In the second profile calendar's place, it has to wrap up by 8 p.m. In this person's personal calendar availability, they have to wrap up by 6:30 p.m. because that's when their next appointment starts. So that means that if appointments are a half an hour long, then they are available at 5, 5:30, and 6.